Hi, this is Lori from Siegel Solutions, and I'd like to show you how some reports are better to run, and you can get a more consolidated report using an AI agent like Copilot or ChatGPT or Claude. I use Copilot versus running them in QuickBooks, especially when they can be more than one report. So I'm looking at the unbilled time and unbilled charges report. So I actually want the unbilled time, everything that's been unbilled. So I want to be able to create a report that has both unbilled time and unbilled charges that I can give to a project manager and say, these are things that have not been billed yet. Would you like me to bill them to these two projects or to all of these projects and have them all in one report? So the first thing I want to do is save this report, but I want to make sure that there is no identifying factor on the report when I load it up to my chat. So I could either export it to an Excel spreadsheet and then remove that line, or I can go right here and just change this to just business or name or something. I'm going to make sure that they're both the same on both reports. And I'm going to export this now to a PDF. Same thing when I save it, I just don't want the company name on it. I'm just going to call this unbilled time. There we go. I'm going to save that one. And then I'm going to go here, do the same thing. Just call it business. Export it to a PDF. I'm going to download it. For charges. And then I'm going to go to my chat. And it's always a conversation. So the first thing I want to do is just upload those reports. I'm going to just go to my downloads on my other screen and drag those two reports in. And then I'm just basically going to say, create a report showing the unbilled time and charges by project. It is still bringing up one of those reports, but I'm going to send it. And it's digging in. It's looking at those two reports. It's basically, because I said a report, it's saying it's likely going to do a PDF. It will analyze them to make sure it's not double entering anything from the reports, because we did put up two reports, and it's going to start its coding. And it's giving you all the information. And then it's basically saying it's right here. It's separated it out. It's saying charges are not double counted. And the report shows how much of each. And do I want to download the report? And I can click right there because I'm using a Microsoft product and I do have Microsoft 365. It does save it onto my OneDrive. And here's the report. But I'm saying it is just saying the individuals. So I'm actually going to go back and say, please give me a detail report by expense and time entry. So I can go one step further on this. And it gives me that. And I could tell this now. If you'd like, I can also create a detailed report in a PDF. And I'll say, please create as an Excel workbook. And this should give me tabs for every project. And we will see what happens. So it is now done, and it says I've created the detail with the summary, project, and everything. And now we can download it, just so you can see what it looks like. And it created this great workbook of the project summary, customer summary, and the time entries. So definitely play around with it. You'll be able to see everything within it. It does take a while for it to generate. There we go. And it gives you everything. So I hope this tip helps to use your AI agent and be able to go through everything within taking reports from QuickBooks and being able to analyze them better in an AI agent like Copilot. And once again, this is Lori from Siegel Solutions. As a QuickBooks Solutions provider, Siegel Solutions can offer you QuickBooks Online for 30% discount for the first 12 months. To receive this great offer, just scan the QR code on screen or visit the website below the QR code. Once again, it's an exclusive offer from Siegel Solutions for 30% off of your new subscription of QuickBooks Online for the first 12 months. To learn more about Siegel Solutions and our QuickBooks consulting services, which include cleanups, new file setups, third-party integrations, and we also offer ongoing bookkeeping services, visit our website at www.siegelsolutions.com. You can also email us at info@siegelsolutions.com. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube for more of our tips and tricks videos.